Hello beautiful people. Yesterday we covered Shivaji Park one side. क्या करें आदमी दो है खाना बहुत standing in front of Tips Frankie. तो आज हमारी शुरुआत होने वाली टिप फ्रैंकी से और मैंने लिया हूँ मटन फ्रैंकी. So let's try this out. This brand Tips is since 1969 and they are serving the best Frankie in Mumbai till date. मैंने मटन फ्रैंकी लिया है. अब भूख भी बहुत तगड़ी लगी है तो ये हॉलो पार्ट को थोड़ा बेंड किया जाए और फिर बाइट लिया जाए. This is what I call maintaining the taste. I've eaten like maybe 10-20 years back. Until now, the flavors are still same, intact. The mutton is nice, the sandwich is nicely loaded with meat. I can see onion, the spice. Not that spicy. I don't know what's wrong with these guys because I remember 20 years back, there used to be a lot of green chilies inside. But right now, they have just balanced it. It's still amazing. The masala flavors is still the same. Must try this.
Alright, guess what? We are at Mani's and this is what we have got. So we've got their famous genie dosa. So now it's the time for a taste test. Well, it's completely loaded with veggies and lots of cheese. So the dosa looks like this. The exterior is pretty thick. Now let's try it just like that first. Cheers. Yum. It's hot, it's crunchy. The filling is very interesting. It's tangy. I can taste the onion, the capsicum, paneer, and lots of cheese. So it's really yummy. So there's a red chutney and there's a coconut chutney. I want to try it with the red chutney first. So let's try. It's really very tasty. Because it's hot, it's even more tastier and I'm really liking it. I can't stop eating. So let's go with the coconut chutney now. This chutney was a little spicy but a very oniony and tomatoey feeling. This one it's very thick pieces of coconut. The grated coconut is actually seen. All the ingredients are freshly made, so it's really making it very special. Economical. I paid around 170 for this entire piece, but it is worth it. And now I know why Mani's is so famous with the other people. So cheers. Now after a very good genie dosa, alright, filter coffee to banta hai, right? Now Mani is also famous for their filter coffee. So now let's give it a try. Yum. Yum. I've actually tasted such kind of a coffee after a very long time. The coffee aroma is just amazing, and I really don't know what milk he's using, but it's really next level. He just killed it. Amazing. Today we are at Amok Corner, and आज हम try करने वाले हैं club paneer sandwich. So that sandwich is huge, 3 layers altogether. इसमें बहुत सारा पनीर है, tomatoes, cheese, and 3 slices of big triangle bread. So you can see tomatoes, cucumber, a nice green minty chutney, and loads of cheese and cubes of paneer and onion as well. So let's dig in. This is really loaded with a lot of paneer. I can actually feel the saltiness of cheese in every bite. It's yum. The chutney is not that spicy. Just put a double coat of butter on it. Loaded with vegetables, freshness is intact. And I really love sandwich. So this is a go-to dish for me. Cheers.
अब मेरा बारी है. That's for a bite. It's really good. Paneer, aloo, टमाटर, ककड़ी, कैप्सिकम, चटनी, अच्छा खासा भरा हुआ है. This sandwich is loaded. Ideally, this sandwich should be not for 2 persons, at least for 3 pieces. मजबूरी, भूख बहुत लगी थी, इसको जबरदस्त खाना तो खाऊंगा. खाने में शर्माने का नहीं. Cheers. अब क्या करें, इतना खाने के बाद एनर्जी डाउन हो गया. दूध पीना जरूरी है. दिस इज ऊर्जा मिल्क ड्रिंक, मिल्क केसर इलायची. दिख रहा था बहुत मस्त है. अभी पी के देखते हैं कैसा है. एकदम हल्का दूध है, हल्का सी माइल्ड. इट्स ओके, चलेगा. चीयर्स. So let's hug and see. Yep, you go. That's the pistachio. So give it a bite. So you can see the pistachio sauce and the kunafa, which is nicely mixed. But there is a little bit of kunafa not. But the donut is full of chocolate, and it's a chocolate donut. Let's give it a bite. It is worth the try. The layering of the chocolate, oh, it's like killing it. Hint of pistachio, hint of kunafa, not too much of kunafa to like the sevaya to like you keep crunching it, but the donut is soft, moist, filled with chocolate, and hint of pistachio, and it's a must try donut. If you are at mad over donuts, so don't miss it. Give it a try. Cheers.
अब इतना खाने के बाद पान तो बनता है. I've already got my hands on the pan. So now let's see how it looks like from inside. वैसे UAE में रह रहे के ना पान के लिए तरसना पड़ता है because eating betel leaves and pan is not allowed there. So now this is the pan. And it's loaded with a lot of things. Yummy! So now, let's take a big bite. It's yummy. I've only chewed half of it, but it's divine. Sweet, cold, and amazing. The pan was amazing, and that was the last thing for the day. Now, if you like our videos, do like, share, and subscribe. Or if you know about any pan shop which is like in the most wanted list where you would want us to go and try, please leave a comment, and we will definitely go and try it. So, ciao.